It is 2 a.m., and a student is staring at a textbook, stuck on a single concept they cannot quite grasp. During the day, they could simply raise their hand in class, but human educators have physical limits. A teacher cannot be available around the clock to answer every individual question. When that resource is unavailable, the learning process stops. The student is trapped behind a conceptual roadblock, waiting for the next available human interaction to resume their progress. This is where the AI chatbot enters the equation. It acts as a digital assistant for that unavailable human teacher, capable of processing and answering queries at any hour. These systems are powered by large language models, or LLMs. An LLM is a type of artificial intelligence trained on massive amounts of text data, allowing the machine to comprehend natural conversational phrasing instead of requiring rigid computer code. By combining that conversational ability with subject expertise, education moves from a rigid classroom schedule to a system that provides individual attention to every student simultaneously. To see how this works, we have to look inside the engine. When a student asks a direct question, like, "What is photosynthesis?" First is the input stage. The raw text breaks apart into individual data notes. Next, natural language processing decodes the actual meaning behind those notes. Then the system categorizes the intent. Does the user need an explanation, notes, or a quiz? Once clear, it moves to response generation, formulating a custom synthesized answer. Finally, through machine learning, the system adapts with every interaction, improving accuracy for future queries. Through that 5-step sequence, a complex midnight doubt is resolved with a personalized, instantaneous response. When coaching institutes apply this engine, they solve a significant operational challenge: managing thousands of students without an equivalent increase in staff. By deploying WhatsApp-based chatbots, these businesses automatically resolve routine administrative questions about admissions, schedules, and fee structures. The technology also handles the heavy lifting of curriculum management. The AI can auto-generate test papers and immediately analyze student performance metrics to identify learning gaps. By automating routine administration and testing, coaching centers can redirect their human educators to focus on high-level mentoring and complex problem-solving. At the university level, the challenge involves managing tens of thousands of users at once across diverse departments. To handle the academic load, universities are deploying AI tutors that act as virtual professors, guiding students through extensive coursework and providing feedback on demand. On the logistical side, institutions integrate chatbots directly into admission portals to process massive influxes of applicant queries without manual oversight. AI provides a way to remove the administrative and instructional bottlenecks that traditionally slow down institutional growth. Building this system doesn't require a massive tech infrastructure. It is accessible across different investment tiers. The entry-level tier utilizes free or low-cost consumer tools to generate study material and run simple messaging bots on platforms like WhatsApp. The mid-level tier leverages modern no-code platforms. These allow operators to automate student communications and tracking for a moderate monthly investment without needing a software engineering background. This chart shows the complete integration blueprint. At the peak are custom API integrations. An API is a set of rules letting different software programs communicate. Using these, a business builds a bespoke application syncing with their specific curriculum. These tools provide the architectural framework for modern education, allowing businesses to scale their reach while maintaining low overhead. Even with all these capabilities, it is important to recognize that AI is an assistant, not a replacement. It lacks the empathy and nuanced judgment inherent to a human teacher. The technology is most effective when used to augment human instruction, handling the repetitive, data-heavy tasks so the teacher can focus on the student. When an institute combines human mentorship with a 24/7 automated assistant, it removes the trade-off between quality and scale. A single center can now provide personalized support to thousands of students for a fraction of the traditional cost, providing a massive competitive advantage in the education market.